Hello friends, this video on gender part 1 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Topics to be covered in this lesson are introduction, masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, neuter gender, formation of feminine of nouns. Now, what is gender? Now, for most of the animals, we have the distinction of male and female, right? For example, if you look at human beings, we have two genders. We always classify the males as boys while the female as girl. Or if you call a male as a man, then the female would be a woman. If you call the men or the male as gents or gentlemen, then the female would be ladies, right? So in this fashion, this distinction is not only true for human beings, but it is true for most of the animals. In fact, for all of the animals, you can say. If you take this example, when you have a king, if the male is called the king, then the female counterpart would be called a queen. Similarly, if the male is called a prince, like the son of a king is often called a prince, then the daughter of the king would always be called the princess. Right? So, for all the things, not only things, but mostly for the living organisms, we have this distinction of gents and ladies, or the male and the female. Now, if you talk about animals, now, if you have a lion, then the female lion is called a lioness, right? So, when you have lion and a lioness, both of them belong to the same category of animal. It is just that one is the male and the other one is the female, right? So, gender is all about this distinction of male and female. Now, for a particular animal, what do we call the male animal? What do we call the female animal? Right? So, for everything, you would have a male counterpart and a female counterpart. And that is all gender is all about. In fact, the word gender is derived from a Latin word. So, this was derived from a Latin word which means kinds or categories of an animal. So, different categories of the same animal. So, that's the origin of the word gender. Now, let's talk more about gender. So, in gender, the first kind of gender would be masculine gender. So, masculine gender, and the second one would be feminine gender. Now, can you guess what is masculine and what is feminine? So, masculine starts with M. So, it is for the male animal. So, M for male, M for masculine. F for feminine, F for female. So, female animal is feminine gender, male animal masculine gender. It's very simple. Now, under masculine gender, you can talk about anything which is male. For example, if you talk about human beings, so man would be the masculine gender. So, the corresponding feminine gender would be woman. Right? So, if boy is the masculine gender, then the corresponding feminine gender would be girl. Right? Now, the feminine gender of boy would not be woman. Why? Because boy is generally a term which is used for a comparatively younger aged male human being. So, therefore, for the female counterpart also, you will have to use the word which represents a comparatively young aged female human being, which is girl, right? So, it has to be the same definition, just that one is the male, the other one is the female. So, if boy is the masculine gender, then girl would be the feminine gender. Let's look at more examples. So, here if you see man, woman, boy, girl, if here you are talking about a hero, so what would be the female counterpart, or what would be the feminine gender of hero? It would be heroine. Right? If you talk about a peacock, so peacock is the masculine gender. Now, can you tell me what would be the feminine gender of peacock? So, it would be peahen. So, in this fashion, not only these examples, you can have lots and lots of more examples. For example, if dog is the masculine gender, what would be the feminine gender? The feminine gender would be bitch. So a female dog is called a bitch. So you see, dog and bitch are two different words. Like, for example, if you compare hero and heroine, they are like same words with slight modification. If you compare peacock and peahen, similar words with little bit of modification. But if you look at dog and bitch, they are two different words. So for a lot of animals, the names of the male animal and the female animals are quite different from each other. So that also happens. For example, if father is the masculine gender, then what would be the feminine gender? It would be mother. So in this fashion, we can have plenty of examples where we talk about the masculine and the feminine gender. Now, one interesting thing that you observe here is gender is all about nouns. So whenever we talk about gender, gender is always of the nouns, because here, if whether you talk about a man, boy, hero, peacock, dog, father, any word you pick up, and they are all things, they are all nouns, right? So gender always is of the nouns, right? So we always talk about gender of nouns, because verbs or adjectives or adverbs will never have genders. Only the nouns will have genders. So that was one more important thing to be noted here. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.